What up, YouTube and all my Ryker riders out there? Pleased to announce the new prototype exhaust for your Can Am Ryker. This is it right here. I just put it on. You're gonna have to wait till the end of the video to see what it looks like. Somewhere in the beginning. And then I'll let you get a listen. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch out my old exhausts to one of my other riders out here. They're gonna take the Carbon series and I'm gonna show you what the new one sounds like on the Ryker. It is a beast. You're gonna love it. It hasn't been named yet. Actually, if you go to RLS YouTube channel, he's given a contest where you type in the name that you think the exhaust should be called, and you will win. If he picks your name, you will win a free exhaust. So make sure you follow my boy RLS, and let's go into the video so you can see this brand new prototype exhaust, never seen before. Follow me. All right, so now we're gonna take the old exhaust off and put on the new one. So I'm gonna be changing out my Carbon series for the Unknown series. Here's your RLS series. The rounded edge one is the Carbon series. That's the one I just removed from the Can Am Ryker. And that's the new prototype from RLS without a name. Just to let you know, he's doing a contest on his website. If you go to his YouTube page and follow RLS and type in a name for the Carbon for the new exhaust, you could win one. Okay, let's get down under. So there's my spring puller and my two springs, and this hooks up under there.
You can't hear me.
You ain't got no horn?
Oh, what's this? Oh, it's all right.
Yeah, it'll do.
I think this week was, I don't know, maybe it was the anticipation of getting a muffler. This week was like, it's like I almost got sideswiped like 3-4 times.
It's nasty out
What's
there.
good, brother?
What's up, brother? How are you?
Everything good, man. Been to the island?
No.
I was out there last night. That shit jam-packed.
I saw y'all up at Freeport.
Yeah,
I ain't go yesterday. I took him. I hung out with my son yesterday.
We was hanging out.
Yeah, I was like, damn, I gotta go out. But yesterday was my birthday, so.
Oh,
Happy belated, man.
Thanks. So the family took me.
You know what I'm saying? I'll substitute it with the alcohol.
So we just dropped it. We're gonna start putting on the new one. Man, that's custom exhaust. You saw that shit? That's custom.
Yeah, triple. I still want to know what this all red shit coming out of it is.
Yeah, I don't know what that is, man.
I see it in a different online on different bikes. You know,
I guess when we get the exhaust out, we'll find out what it is.
Definitely not the only one. I know you was in love with her.
Yeah, I love my Carbon series, but now it's gotta go.
I appreciate that. It's like a rites of passage. You know what I'm saying? Listen.
That was the first prototype, bro. First prototype. Or maybe the second. I don't know. Shout out to my man RLS, though. If you want 10% off, click the link below. So, I just put the Carbon series on here. It's the RLS Carbon, so I did a swap so y'all guys could see. So we're gonna pull this one out and start it up. And we're gonna start up the other exhaust and see how that one sounds too. All right. My man Flea. We're gonna start up that. Let's see. Oh, that sounds nice. Woo, you hear that drum? That's what's up. So let it run, because it's gonna reset itself to the new emissions. It sounds fucking nice. right here. I did that. I did that.
Yeah, I'm a big boy.
All right, I'm gonna start up the new prototype. Let's see what happens. Quiet. Quiet. Yo, I feel it. Yo, NOLAN, come stand. Come stand. Yo, you can feel it. Oh my God, son. Yo, you can feel it right there. I see it on your pants. Look at the power coming out. Stand over there. That shit is... Oh, it's popping. Damn. Let me give it a little gas. Hold this. It's recording. Oh yeah, that's gonna sound crazy. That's gonna sound crazy. Woo! Shout out to my man RLS. Woo!
Definitely an honor for one of the greats.
Thank you, my friends.
Okay.
Thank you, my friends. Another happy customer by the Ryker
Happy
Doctor.
customer.
That's
I
what's
got
up.
it from Shadow Black Ryker.
Damn right. Follow me on all social media platforms, YouTube, and my live shows, podcast, streaming, all that good stuff. Everybody, ride safe. Come back to me a little, bro. I got you.